Hello students. So today I am here with a new lesson and the lesson name is The Rat Trap, and this lesson is written by Selma Legaloff. So in this lesson we are going to see something unique, and the main thing in this lesson, there are two main points. This is called the theme. So here the theme of the lesson is what? Number one is essential goodness present in everyone, and number two, kindness can change everyone. So these two things we are going to see in this lesson, that how essential goodness can change and how everyone can be changed. In what way? What are the things which is really needed to a person? So very first, in this lesson we are going to see about a person who is selling rat trap. Actually, he is very poor beggar. He used to beg, but he is also hard working. So what he does, the money what he begs, he just use those money to make rat trap. And after that he used to sell those rat traps in the market. And sometimes when he is not able to fulfill his needs, he steals also. Means he is a thief also. He is a small thief. So these all things we are going to see in this man's character. So the rat trapper. So he is, in one hand he is a beggar, in second hand he is selling rat trap, and sometimes he steals also. So one day what happens? One day he was selling his rat traps here and there. So suddenly he was passing through a isolated place, as like a alone, very silent place where nobody used to come and go. So there, on the way to his destination, he saw one small hut, and since it was evening, so what happened? He just went near the hut and he knocked at the door, and he found another old man open the door. There only an old man used to live. So he opened the door and he saw somebody at the door, and he was very happy to see him. Why he was very happy? Because he was living there alone and nobody used to come and go there. So therefore this man was very happy. He was also an old man. So when this rat trapper went there, he was very happy to see rat trapper, and he welcomed him and he asked him to have dinner with him, and he mingled with him as he is his old friend. So they started discussion, so many things they discussed. First of all, they had dinner together. After that, they were moving outside the hut and talking. And this old man was very innocent person. He was very humble and kind person. So what he did, he just shared everything. He was sharing as like he is his friend. He never thought that this man could be a thief. And he shared everything. He told him so many things. He also told that before few days he purchased a cow and he used to sell the milk and the milk product, and because of that he is earning some money also. And how much he was believing in him, he just told him about the income and the money also, which he kept on a nail near the window, around 30 that currency. So what happened? This man understood. He was very greedy. Even that day he could not sell any rat trap. So he also understood that money is kept there. So that night they had a discussion, they had dinner, and after that they both slept. Next morning, early in the morning, this rat trapper, he just woke up earlier. And what he did is he just moved from the back, and from the window he has taken that money, 30 rupees we can call it. And he took the money and went through the forest, because he thought that if he walk on the road, somebody may come behind him, because he had stolen the money. So therefore, because of fear, he had too much fear in his mind, so he just moved from the forest. Now next what happened? When he was going through the forest, he was having so much fear. Since it was winter season, so that man was shivering with the cold. So suddenly when in the forest he was moving, that time he thought that now today also I made a mistake, because before a few days he was thinking that whole world is just like a rat trap. Here all the people are inside the cage as like a rat is trapped in the rat trap. In the same way, all human beings are also trapped because they need to complete their fulfillment. They need to complete their basic needs. So to complete the basic needs, we are running behind so many things. So we are also part of a rat trap and we are also inside the cage. In that way he was thinking earlier. And now also when he was walking in the forest after he has stolen the money, he was thinking this whole thing that today I also made the same mistake. Now I am also trapped. I am also trapped as like a rat. And he was thinking these all things in his mind. And since it was winter season, so he was shivering too. And since he was walking and he was not getting any way, means as like he was lost in the forest. Suddenly when he was continuously walking, he heard some thumping sound. Thumping sound means as somebody is beating something with something. So this man heard a sound and the direction from which the sound was coming, he just moved. And when he moved, he found that there was a mill, and it was an iron mill. So in that iron mill, iron used to melt. So there it was inferno, like fire was there. So this man just went near the fire and he just made himself warm near the fire. And when the master of that iron mill saw this man that somebody is sleeping here near the inferno. Inferno means where the fire is burning. So the owner of that iron mill, he just came. He came near to the man and it was a little bit dark. So this man could not see him very clearly and he thought that he is one of his friends. Who? The owner of that iron mill thought that the rat trapper or the beggar is one of his old friends because he was in army and he thought that he was with me in the regiment. In that way the iron mill master thought about the rat trapper. And now he went near and he just told him, you just come to my home. And the rat trapper, he was in fear. He thought that if I go with him, he may recognize me. After that he will put me in the prison and he will send me to the police station because he will come to know that I have stolen the money. So he just denied. He did not accept his proposal. He did not go with him to his home. And that iron mill master was also living with his daughter. So he just went home and he told everything to his daughter. That I met someone, he is one of my friends and he is in iron mill. You just go and bring him home. I think he needs some shelter. So the daughter was very innocent, very kind-hearted lady. So she came to the iron mill and she convinced this rat trapper to be with her to her home. And somehow she managed to take that man to her home. And that man went. And first of all, he was given something to eat. After that, the girl just told that man, just have a bath, and after that we shall have dinner together. And the man, when he just took bath and he just changed the dress, he was given some clothes also to wear. So when he changed, when he came and sat on the dining table with them, that time the iron mill master recognized him, that he is not my friend, he is someone else. And he got very angry on that man, on the beggar. When the beggar said, no sir, you cannot get angry on me because I really told you that I don't want to be with you, I am not friend, but you and your daughter brought me here. And the daughter, since she was very kind-hearted lady, so she just convinced her father, okay, it is Christmas season and Christmas is coming. So if somebody has come to our home, we should welcome him. He is in need, we should help him. Doesn't matter, he is not your friend, but he came, he needed help. so we should help him. In that way, this shows that lady was very kind-hearted even to the stranger. And that man was really too much surprised to see the behavior of the girl. And he was too much impressed by the words. And that night he had enough food, satisfactory food. After that the girl said to her father that we should give him some place to take rest. And father also agreed, and that night he slept there. And after that this girl and his father both went to church for the Christmas Eve mass and they had prayer there. There they came to know that somebody has stolen 30 rupees from from the man who was living in the hut. And they realized or they understood that 100% he is the man who is in our house. So they completed their prayer and returned. And when they returned, they just asked their servant that the man who was here last evening, morning who came here, where is he? Then the servant said that he has gone. And then the owner asked, did he carry anything from our house? Then the servant said no, he was empty-handed. And servant also told that he left a parcel here for you, for the girl. And the girl went and she picked up that parcel and she opened it. And when she opened that parcel, she found there was a rat trap inside that parcel. And in the rat trap, the money which he had stolen from that 30 rupees, that was kept inside the rat trap. And there were some notes also. He wrote a note for this girl and to the daughter of that iron mill master. And in that note he wrote that I really very thankful to you because you helped me, you have shown your sympathy, you are really very kind-hearted lady, and therefore it is a Christmas gift from my side. This is the money which I have stolen from someone. And if you come to know about that man, please return that money. And now, from today onwards, I will live this way. Means I will never steal. I will be no more thief, and I will change myself because I saw your behavior very positive towards me. In this way, the man has written a note for the girl, and the girl was also much fascinated by the words. And she was also very kind-hearted lady. So she also thought that because of my behavior, that man has changed himself and he came on the correct path. In this way, the lesson ended. And I hope you all very clearly got in what way a man can be changed if he is behaved properly with. And everyone has a kind heart, as the lady was having, as the girl was having. And everyone who has kind heart, we can show our kindness to someone and we can change the person's life as the girl has changed the person's life. If that evening she would have returned him back 100%, he would never change himself. So therefore we can see in this lesson the lady who was with kind heart changed the man, and who the man who was changed was really very thankful, and he returned the money which he had stolen. And he promised to not steal any more things, and he will be living innocent and happy life. So with this hope that you are clear with the theme of the lesson and you will be comfortable to write the answer of the question related to